I'm live. Let me just share my screen with you all. And let me check if I'm live or not. Just a second. Yeah, I think I'm live. Okay, I think my screen is visible to every one of you. Given an array and an integer k, that asks you to find the length of the longest subarray in which the count of elements greater than k is more than the count of elements less than or equal to k. Okay. So k is equal to 2. The elements. Once again. Array in which the count of elements greater than k. Count of elements greater than k is more than the count of elements less than or equal to k. Greater than k का कितना सब है? 3 4. Okay, the सब है 2 3 4 or 3 4 1. 2 3 4 or 3 4 1 satisfy the given condition and there is no subarray of length 4 or 5 which hold the given condition. 1 second. 3 4 1 नहीं समझ में आया. In the subarray 6 5 3 4 there are 4 elements which is greater than 2. 4 elements which are greater than 2, right? And 0 elements smaller than equal to 2. So it is the longest subarray. अच्छा. अच्छा. Number of elements smaller less than or equal to k. Less than or equal to k. So 1 2 3 3 and just find the longest in which the count of elements greater than k is more than greater than k is more than the count of elements less than equal to k. So 2 3 4 longest subarray 3 4 1 in this subarray. अच्छा, in this subarray the अच्छा ठीक है 2 3 4 here is only one element which is more than equal to k and अच्छा. Okay, understood. So what I am going to do? Acha, I understood the question. 1 second. Let me see how I'm going to solve this question. Greater than k is more than the count of element less than or equal to k. So I'm going to just uh, write like -2. Okay. So like just add -2 to each and every element. Add 2 to each and every element. -1 -2 -1. Just 1 second. It is going to be -1, it is going to be 0, it is going to be 1, it is going to be 2, it is going to be -1. Okay, so element with positive numbers, this one. Okay, 0 1 2 or this element, right? uh, okay. Okay, one thing that I have in my mind is I can do this. Hmm, I will treat elements smaller than k as -1 and greater than k as 1. Okay, simple. And if the overall sum is positive, entire prefix is valid. If not, then I'll just store it in the map. Okay, see what I'm going to do is int n is equal to 8 large that size. Okay, now what's the first thing that I'm going to do? The first thing that I'm going to do is int answer is equal to 0 and sum is equal to 0. Make an on-road map. Okay. For int I is equal to 0, I is smaller than plus plus. If E double R of I is smaller than equal to k, just write some. Uh, I have to decrease it by 1, right? Sum minus is equal to 1, else sum plus is equal to 1. Simple. Now what? If the overall positive, okay, if sum is greater than 0, what I need to do? Answer is equal to I plus 1. Simple. I plus 1. Okay. If not, else if the sum is smaller than 0, if it like, if the sum is positive, then the entire prefix is valid. If it is smaller, then I'll check that there's a prefix with sum, like we used to do in uh, prefix sum with subarray k. Simple. If mp dot find sum minus 1 is not equal to mp dot end, this is the case. Answer is max of answer comma I minus if sum minus 1. Okay. Now what? Let find sum is equal to mp dot end, that is the sum is not here, so just write mp of sum, the length is equal to I. Okay, now return the value of answer. One second. Okay, let's wait and see if there is any compilation error. I don't think so. Let's see if it is working or not. Yeah, it passed all the cases. So the idea was simple. Mm, if it is smaller, just write some plus one, some minus one. If it is greater, write some plus one, and so use the same concept like that one. Uh, Subarray with, like, let me show you once again. Subarray sum equal to k. We are using the same concept. So maximum prefix, some questions going to be solved using this concept only. So like, mm, you should know few you should know few concepts like this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Okay, hello, yeah, who is this? I think Rohit Roshan. Do you have any questions, Rohit? Rohit bhaiya, do you have any questions, bhaiya? If you don't know this Rohit Roshan guy, he works in Google. So, okay, thank you so much. How to improve logical thinking? Okay, see, it comes with questions. Okay, if you'll solve so many questions, then you will just grasp things like how, what is the idea behind this question. If I'll do a few operations to this question, I can I can change this question to, like, there was a question. One second, I'll show you. There was a question in this only. Mm, the problem of the day. I think this question. Okay, one second. Let me show you the live example. Okay. Okay. See, the question is something like this. So if you will just if you have learned about this concept of subarism, subarism with at most k, then you will be like okay, if I'll do few operations, then I can change this question to something like subarism with at most k. So that you are going to develop, um, that you are going to develop after solving so many questions. It is not going to be developed overnight. You will have to solve questions one to two, at least 5 to 6 times, revise it regularly. Okay, so thank you so much. And your internet. Okay. This Rohit Roshan guy, he works in Google, and he's just teasing me. If you want, yeah. So it's a continuous learning process, huh? You can say it, and I will suggest rather than learning DSA, start doing CP, because in CP you will solve lots and lots of questions, and there are many concepts that we don't know. Okay, like there is concept not if you will take some course, they will only like explain about the prefix sum, but if you will do DP like CP, then you are going to learn about many more concepts in prefix sum only, like difference array and sweep line concept. So these concepts are not going to be covered in any of the like a DSA course. If you will just search any of the videos, any of the course of DSA, you will not going to get these concepts in their course. So my suggestion would be take any CP course and they will include all these things. So yeah, if anyone have any questions, Thirumal, if you want me, I will show you the course, how the course of TLE eliminators looks like. It's a very great course. Okay, yeah, let me show you. See, I personally, this course is very good. I don't know if it's going to be visible or not, but if it is visible, see, there is many more concept, difference array and like prefix sum. Also, if you are going to do any of the concepts, I have completed this course, advanced sorting, binary search, all these things, number theory, intermediate, and number theory have many more concepts, not just GCD, LCM. It has pigeonhole, exponential, and if you are going to just learn these concepts, like let me go to this module questions. Let's number theory beginner. You will get so many questions like day 1, day 2, day 3. If you will solve these questions, like all the questions, it has at least I guess 127 problems. Yeah, if you are solving this many questions, the concepts are crystal clear. Like if you will see the problem statement, you'll be like, okay, I can solve this question using this concept. So that's the main idea. Okay, if you want, you can take this course, TLE self-paced or TLE live classes course also. It's up to you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.